Hello guys! Ulam for today! Ayan po, magluluto na tayo ng fried chicken. It's a dish tonight consisting of chicken pieces that have been coated with seasoned flour, butter, and pan-fried, deep-fried, pressure-fried, air-fried. Uy, lahat na lang ng fried. Charot! Ito naman ang sotanghon soup natin, popular dish. And now I cook. This is my favorite soup that I made it. And I prepared sotanghon noodles cooked in a broth, sliced pork bones together with garlic and onions with carrot. Beef pork adobo. The sauce is deeply savory, tangy, and with a caramelized sweetness. Ay, sarap! That perfectly coats the tender chunks of pork belly. Ayan siya. So, meron siyang carrots and onions. So, nilalagyan din natin ng pampalasa. O, diba? Ayan na siya, guys. Ulam for tonight. Dahil hindi busy, so, nagluto tayo ng tatlong klaseng ulam. Ganun. Sipag magluto. Minsan lang yan. Nagkataon lang na hindi busy. So, luto din tayo pag may time. Enjoy eating. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Now, cute.